the vibes that I feel when I'm sober. I hate the next morning when I wake up and it's over. I just found some blow in the crack of my sofa. I just kicked a girl out, I barely even know her. They obsessed with my life, they don't know what it's like. Got problems with myself that I'm always trying to hide. I only feel alive when I'm drunk out of my mind, but that's all a disguise. I'm trying to survive. I'm getting too high for my own good. We only do drugs cause we're misunderstood. I would leave the drink if I thought that I could. I'm getting too high, I'm barely getting by. I'm getting too high for my own good. We only do drugs cause we're misunderstood. I would leave the drink if I thought that I could. I'm getting too high, I'm barely getting by.
Just thinking that drugs might help. Got a feeling I'm losing myself. At a week, it's so high. When did everything go left? No, I'm throwing these racks and she back it up. At crazy girls in the cut cracking up. Lately these addies been adding up. Got me up all night, I feel like I'm Dracula. I ordered 3 rounds of tequila. Stop treating me like I'm a B-list. I came here to drink it for free. They ended up swiping my visa. Aquafina, she a freak, a little eater. I put the water on my wrist and told her bitter I don't need her. I want a leader when I need someone to lean on. Fill my cup within my feelings, smoking sativa. I'm seeing stars like I'm Bieber. I need something to believe in. Don't need no plug, but I'm gonna blow. I'm gonna get everything I've been dreaming. All of these people been hating on me. When you come around, I'm asleep, cause
I don't like the vibes that I feel when I'm sober. I hate the next morning when I wake up and it's over. I just found some blow in the crack of my sofa. I just kicked a girl out, I barely even know her. I'm getting too high for my own good. We only do drugs cause we're misunderstood.